Hello. Go live. Hello guys, it's me, your boy Dian Junior Fix. So we have around like 10 minutes. Yeah, time is moving. Yeah, we have around 10 minutes to MFP to start. Okay, let's see how it will be, guys. Okay, let's see how it will be, my guys, man. Let's see. You can also share this live session with others, guys. Okay, yeah, you can also share this live session with others. Let's see how it will be. Let me try to link this one. Yeah. So I think I'm audible. I think you can hear me well. Yeah. How many minutes we have? Like we have 5 minutes MFP to start. So above it will be my target, and we're expecting anything. I'm expecting this price to continue moving upward toward this zone. Okay, yeah, I'm expecting even to break this high, because this one, it might be my OB breaker. So above here I have TP2, and this will be my TP1. Okay, so my target one will be down there, and let's see how it will be, guys. Let's see how it will be for those who are joining me for the first time. My name is Dan Junior FX, and also remember, guys, to subscribe my YouTube channel for those who are joining me right now. Remember also to leave your comment section here. Okay, so let's hope so. Let's see how it will be, because let's say like 5 minutes are remaining and that session to open, and we're expecting price at least to come to our zone. Okay, yeah, so let me zoom for you so that you can see everything well. Okay, and at least I'm expecting price to come to this zone. Hope I'm audible. Hope you can hear me well, guys. Okay, and I think on gold we'll see how it will be, and I will check also on gold. So I'm expecting gold also to drop. Okay, although above here this will be my TP2. Okay, so I'm thinking of changing, I'm thinking of placing all my TP around somewhere 214, but let me stick to my plan for today. Yeah, above here my TP2, and this will be my TP. When it will hit my TP, guys, I promise I will celebrate. I will promise I will jump, I will shout, and we'll see how it will be. Okay, so if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. 3 minutes remaining, so we are expecting anything right now. We're expecting anything to happen right now. Okay, so let's hope so. If you are joining me for the first time, my name is Dan Junior, for those who are joining me for the first time, and thank you very much. You can also comment. You can also leave your comment section. Okay, where are you from? When did you started trading? Okay, it's good to know each other. Okay, yeah. Okay, you can also share this live session also with others. Okay, yeah, you can also share this live session with others also, my good people. Okay, yeah, so it's me, your boy Dian Junior FX, for those who are watching me for the first time. Okay, so 2 minutes remaining, guys. 2 minutes remaining. Okay, welcome. So I think I will explain to you how I came up with this sniper entry. yesterday price was consolidating within this range, as you can see. Okay, so move up a little, pull back, move up, pull back. So in short, price was consolidating. Okay, so what make me to confirm for a buy confirmation, price break this equal high. Okay, this is the internal breakout structure. After price break this internal breakout structure, of course I mark this demand zone. As you can see down here was my demand zone. I marked that my demand zone well, and I waited price to come down here. Of course, I think it was around night, it was around 11 or 12. Okay, at that time price has already closed, but I placed my buy limit. So after Asian session open, it automatically triggered my my entry, and then price started moving to my direction. So I placed 3 position here. So although I placed 3 position, and then what I did, the mistake I did here yesterday, I placed my SL here, so I lost 1 position, okay, which is a small amount, okay, of course. But the other, I placed my SL down there. So what price did here, price did not touch our SL, it started moving to our direction. So above here, 1 minute remaining, guys. Anything can happen right now, so let's be alert, let's be patient. Anything can happen. So, and again, price has already formed this. These are breakout structure above there. So let's watch, let's see what will happen. Maybe we might have high volatility. Anything can happen right now. I'm in. Okay, and remember to share this live with others. Okay, yeah, don't forget to share this live session with others. Okay. So it's 3:30, so let's see what will happen. 3:30, so let's see what will happen. Let me zoom for you. Oh my god, come on, man, come on, man. Let's see what will happen. I will record. Let me record this one. Let's see what will happen, you know. Come on, man, let's go, man. So let's see how it will be, you know. Let me be patient, you know. It is 3:30, so let me see. Let me confirm it's coming. Oh my god, let me see if it has already increased. You know, anything can happen right now, you know. So it's on. Yeah, it has already increased. Yeah, finally we have already confirmed. Okay, it has already increased by 115k. Yeah, it has already increased by 115k. So of course we're expecting price to continue moving to our direction. Come on, man. Let me see. Let's open USDJPY. These are USDJPY. So as you can see, still there is no price. Still price is moving slow. I don't understand. Although it has already increased, I don't know what is happening right now. But let's hope so. You know, I don't know what is happening, but let's hope so. Okay, don't know what is happening right now. You know, price is very slow. I can't see any reaction, you know. Yeah, you understand, but let's see how it will be. So for those who join me right now, let me explain to you how I came up with this sniper entry. Please be keen, okay, and also remember also to share this live with others. Okay, so how I came up with this sniper entry, as you can see somewhere there, I started with the higher time frame. Okay, I started with a daily bias. Of course, let me start with a daily bias. Okay, so I started with a daily bias. Okay, after starting with a daily bias, as you can see above there, we have OB. Okay, these are order block, if you can see, and overall the price is moving upward. Are you together, guys? Okay, overall price is moving upward. Okay, overall price is moving upward. So what the price did there, the price break here, came to this zone around somewhere there. Let me mark this zone. Okay, so finally price came to this zone somewhere there. Okay, after it came to this zone, it started forming a wick. As you can see, this candlestick started losing momentum. Okay, these are 3 candlesticks. It lost momentum. Okay, to move, I think buyers are taking control. Okay, after losing some momentum, what I did again, I moved to 4 hours time frame. After moving to 4 hours time frame, what I did here, my dear friends, I as you can see, another candlestick has already opened. So after moving to first time frame, as you can see above here, we have the clear order block, and also down here we have another order block. Okay, so for me, this order block, okay, the first order block for me, it's a fake. It might be a fake breakout. Okay, it might be a fake breakout for me. Okay, so instead of looking opportunity for a sell from somewhere there, it's better to look opportunity for a sell from above zone, which is above somewhere there. Okay, so let's place our Fibonacci from equal high to the equal low. Okay, of course down here it will be our equal low somewhere there. Okay, all right, nice one. So still, as you can see, price is below 50%. When the price is below 50%, we look opportunity for a buy, but when price is above 50%, we look opportunity for a sell. Okay, when the price is cheap, we buy. When the price is expensive, we sell. I think we are together, my dear friends. Okay, so right now we are in, and I'm expecting institutional to continue pushing this price. Maybe it might come to this zone, so let me mark this zone. As you can see somewhere here, we have another OB. Yeah, the price might retrace to this zone. As you know, price will never move just in one direction. Okay, price, so it will move up a little retracement and again move up. So if it will not go direct to our TP, I'm expecting a little pullback, okay, a retracement, and then again we enter for a buy, and this round will target finally above there. Okay, yeah, that's my expectation for today on GBP JPY, and also I will look at gold. Okay, so as you can see right now we are in, you know, I was expecting to see high volatility today, but I can't see there's not any high volatility, you know, as we know, you know, as usual, you know. So there's no pressure today. I don't know why there's no pressure. Okay, I don't understand why there's no pressure today. Okay, but let's hope so. Let's see how it will be. Things might be okay, things might be all right. Okay, so I don't know why price is slow. Price is very slow today, and as you can see here, NFP has already increased up to 115. Guys, that's too much, man. That's too much. 115, you know. Let me try to read this statement, you know, and also I'm following Bloomberg TV. Let me read this statement and let's see how it will be. So we are hoping at least price by the end of today to come to this entry. Okay, this will be my entry. Okay, somewhere there, you know. Trading is something need to be keen. Okay, in terms of psychology, you need to be okay, you know, maybe you might know how to analyze the market, but when it's come to psychology, you are down. Okay, so what I will advise you, make sure you focus on psychology. This is my expectation, and I'm expecting something like this one. So let me look at gold also. Okay, so let's look at gold together, and let's see what will happen or what might happen on gold again. Okay, so let's start with the higher time frame, and as you can see, these are gold. And to be honest, since when? Since February. Yeah, since February. I think beginning of February, gold is moving down, to be honest. Okay, as you can see, overall price is moving down. Okay, so right now price it came to this 50%. Can you see this dot line? These are 50%. After it came to this 50%, we're expecting at least institutional to push this price to come to this zone. Okay, if it will break this zone, maybe from somewhere there, and again we look opportunity for a sale on gold. That's my expectation, and that's what I'm expecting for maybe from next. So let's move to first time frame and let's see what is happening on first time frame. And as you can see, also on 4 hours time frame, price is moving upward. Okay, yeah, price is moving upward also on 4 hours time frame. Okay, Okay, let's see how it will be. All right, so price is moving upward, and as you know, we can't enter for a sale from somewhere there because this will be our today high, and down here it will be our today's low. So I think right now price is maybe within 50%. Yeah, of course. So right now price is at 50%. We can't enter for a buy when the price are at 50%. Okay, this is no one land. Okay, no one land. Okay, so let's wait price institutional to continue pushing this price at least to move further higher. Maybe from this zone, there's an area where we look opportunity for a sale. That's my expectation for today. Okay, yeah. So let's hope so, and let's see how it will be, my dear friends. So let's back to GBP JPY. Let me move to 50 minutes. And before I leave this live session, also I want to share with you something good here. Okay, let me share with you something special. Okay, let me tell you something. When you want to analyze the market, make sure you start with the higher time frame. That's the rule number one. Start with the higher time frame. After higher time frame, move to medium time frame, which is a location. After location, move to execution. Execution is the best. Execution mostly it's work on 15 minutes, like this trade. As you can see, I just started with the higher time frame. Okay, I marked this zone, price came here. After price came here, as you can see, it grabs some liquidity below this zone. I think you will agree with me, all of you, that price grab some liquidity below this zone. Okay, so this area where price grab some liquidity, okay, during the Asian high. After it grabs some liquidity around somewhere there, let me put liquidity. Okay, price started moving upward. Okay, and again, as you can see, it's break this high. So what I'm expecting right now, I'm expecting price to continue moving upward. That's my expectation by the end of today. So let's hope so. Welcome, guys. You can also share this live session with others. Okay, yeah, welcome again and again. Welcome again and again. Okay, and also for those who are willing to join DNJ community, you can also go to my bio. There's a link there. There's also a number there. Call that number, talk with my director. It will guide you also how to join DNJ community. And for those who are willing to learn this concept, you can also click a link on this description. It will take you direct to DNJ community. Join that community. It's where we share ideas with other traders, okay, inside that community. And so if you are willing to join DNJ community, I only charge $120. I don't charge a lot of money. Remember, if you don't have all money, still you can start with a installment of $60, and then you finish your payment after 2 to 3 weeks of learning. Simple as that one. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Let's see how it will be. Okay, so, and for those who are joining me right now, let me at least show you something here. Let me show you something is special. Okay, for those who are joining me for the first time. Okay, so that's what we're expecting, and today price is very low, man. Come on, what is happening today? Price is very low, man. So let's look at USDJPY also. US index is very slow. I don't know what is happening. So let's look at USDJPY. So these are USDJPY, and let's start with a 4 hours time frame, which is a medium time frame, and let's analyze together. As you can see, these are 4 hours time frame, and to be honest, overall price is moving down. Okay, overall, to be honest, price is moving down, but as you can see, what price did here, it came to this zone somewhere there. Can you see this zone? So came to this zone. Okay, and it started forming some momentum. For me, it's grabbed some liquidity down here. As you can see, it swept some liquidity below here. After sweeping some liquidity, price started losing some momentum. As you can see, it lost, this candlestick lost some momentum. Institutional started pushing upward, and yesterday it's consolidated. So here also we have two order block. We have a near OB. For me, this is a near order block. It might be a OB breaker. Okay, it might be a fake breakout. Okay, it might be a fake breaker. Okay, for me, this might be a fake order block. Okay, because we can enter for a sale when the price are at the middle. Okay, so what has happened here? Same things here. These are USDJPY also. USDJPY, let me tell you what has happened here. After consolidating, finally it break this internal high. Can you see, guys? Break this internal breakout structure above somewhere there. So this will be internal breakout structure. Okay, so after breaking internal breakout structure down there, there's a zone. Okay, there's a demand zone. So we're expecting again to look another opportunity for a buy on USDJPY. So let's move to 1 hour time frame together again. Okay, let's see how it will be on 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, this is a 1 hour time frame, and to be honest, price yesterday consolidated. Okay, so break this breaker, and this area again, we look another opportunity for a buy by today. If you did not enter any trade, you can also enter for a buy on USDJPY when it touches your zone. So this area where you need to enter for your buy. Okay, and then you target just this zone and you place your stop loss below your zone. Simple as that. And one thing, let me tell you, make sure you're being okay. You know, price might grab some liquidity below this zone, so it's good to move to execution, which is a 15 minutes time frame. You just move to a 15-minute time frame, wait at least price to grab some liquidity either below these zones. Okay, yeah. So if I could be you, I could enter for a buy when the price touch this zone. Okay, yeah. So it's better to mark your 15-minute candlestick just from somewhere there. Instead of entering from somewhere there, just try to enter from somewhere there. Place your stop loss there. Just target 118 pips for today. Okay, you can also target 15-minute zone. Okay, so of course 15-minute zone, it will be somewhere there. Okay, can you see? Simple as that. You know, trading is simple. You know, when you believe yourself, when you put God first, everything become easy, everything become simple. Okay, so these are USDJPY. Since we are in GBPJPY, let's focus on GBPJPY right now. So I think it's almost to our TP. Yeah, it's almost to our TP, although right now we are in profit. And for those who are inside the community, I think you will agree with me that we are in profit. Okay, any question, guys? You can also ask me any question. Okay, don't fear. Okay, I'm here for you. You know, no one is perfect. Okay, yeah, you can also ask me trading question. Okay, so these are, let me shift to first 1 hour time frame. As you can see, these are 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here we have a zone. So I think this price, maybe it might move to this zone. Okay, we have two zones here. Okay, these are near zone, these are near OB on 1 hour time frame. If it will not move to this zone, maybe it might move to extreme zone down here. Okay, but I'm hoping it will reverse. Okay, yeah, I'm hoping it might not come to this zone down here. Yeah, that's my expectation. Okay, let's pray price will not come to our entry again. Okay, let's say maybe it might reverse from somewhere there. Okay, that's our expectation, or that's my expectation on GBPJPY. Okay, any question, guys? Don't fear me, you can ask me a trading question before I leave this live session. Okay, yeah, my time is almost my time is almost ending. Before I leave this live session, you can also ask me any question about trading. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, remember to share my YouTube channel with others. Okay, yeah. You can also send love messages. Okay, you can also send love messages, guys. Okay, yeah, to show me that you are in. We are in. For those who are inside the community, trading is not about guessing. Let me tell you something, my dear friends. Trading is not about something that you guess. It's something that you build. It's like a success. You can't wake up just within a day and you said, I want to buy a car. No, success, it takes years. Okay, it takes maybe 1 year, 2 years, maybe some months to be successful. Okay, maybe in forex trading, maybe in business, in any business. Success, to be honest, it takes time. Okay, so what I'm to tell you, you just put your God first and focus on what you are doing. Okay, focus on what you are doing. And one thing, never give up. Okay, never. Sometime God might attempt you, like me. Last week, the other week, last month. To be honest, April was not my month, to be honest. Okay, April was my losing month. I lost a lot of money during the month of April, to be honest. Okay, so I did not give up. Okay, instead of giving up, I pushed myself. I gave myself morale. It's good to give yourself a morale. Okay, so don't give up. Continue pushing yourself. Continue putting your God first, and I believe one day God will bless you, and I believe one day God will fulfill all your dreams. Remember also to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you very much for those who joined me. Okay, thank you very much. You did not disappoint me. I appreciate for your kind. I appreciate for your love. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. Okay, so let's see how it will be. Let's see how it will be, my dear friends. Okay, so it's almost moving to, these are 50 minutes, these are 5 minutes. Yeah, so I think I will hold this position up to 10 a.m. So for me again, as you can see, so what has happened here for me again, on 5 minutes, price came here, maybe grab some liquidity and started forming these types of candlestick. So these are weak candlestick. Okay, rejection candlestick. So for me, price might continue moving upward. Today there's no high volatility. I don't understand. Maybe by next week there might be high volatile maybe by next week. Okay, yeah, so let's hope so, my guys. Let's see how it will be. Okay, everything is to believe yourself. Everything is to put your God first. That's simple. That's how I came up with this sniper entry on GBP JPY. Yeah, that's how I came up with this sniper entry, and still I will hold this position. I will hold this trade, and we'll see how it will be, my dear friends. Yeah, my target will be just somewhere here, but for today I will target just this zone. Okay, yeah, just for today I will target this zone. Okay, this is 1 hour OB. That will be my target for today. Any question, guys? Any question? Yeah, you can also comment any question. Don't fear to ask me any question. I'm here for you. Okay, I will answer you, guys. I'm here for you. Just ask me any question and I will answer you the way I can. Okay, so thank you very much again and again. So have a blessed evening, have a fruitful evening. Hope today we will make something. Okay, and hope today we'll make some dollars. Of course, that's my expectation for today. Okay, that's my expectation today. I think everything will be okay, everything will be well. Okay, thank you very much, Betty. Thank you very much for commenting. We might make something. So what I'm trying to tell you, Above all, put your goal first, believe yourself, okay, and never collect a lot of information. Just stick only to one information. So bye bye guys, have a blessed evening. See you next week. Again, next week I'll be live on my YouTube channel, okay, same channel. I'll live during the CPI news. I think CPI news will be next week. Let me confirm. Yeah, CPI news, it will be on next week if I'm not wrong. It should be on next week. Let me confirm. Let me confirm, yeah, for you. I think we have another news at 5 p.m. I think it will not affect our market. So also it will be on Monday, okay. Yeah, it will be on Tuesday. I'm sorry. CPI news, it will be on Tuesday. Maybe the price might form a high volatility, okay. So again on Tuesday I'll be live on my YouTube channel, okay, from 3:15, and also on Wednesday we have PPI news, guys, okay. So thank you very much. Bye bye, have a blessed evening.